So it'd be the food coloring, water, oil, then the Alka-Seltzer is what it's called. And then the Alka-Seltzer is going to have a reaction to all of those liquids combined. And what it's going to do is it's going to bring the bubbles up to the surface, and then we're going to go back to make a reaction that's sort of like that. It's just like an infinite circle.
In a way, yes, until the carbon dioxide dissipates, goes up in the air. So, with that being said, I'll go ahead and do a brief rundown. Right now, what's up, Lennon? You got water? No, I'm going to have these Alka-Seltzer packets out already because as soon as I pour the oil, I want us to be ready. So, Alka-Seltzer will produce carbon dioxide in the water. Now, we talked about one thing I didn't hear during this project, which was, it starts with a D.
Density.
Density. Good. You guys were on to say density. I know you guys do. So density. And so density, what it means is essentially the oil and the water have different densities. Water is going to be heavier with more density, which means it's packed with more molecules than, say, for instance, oil. Do not put the Alka-Seltzer in the water yet. That'll be for our crescendo. Here you go. So, with that said, Alka-Seltzer is going to react with the water. Okay, since the water's at the bottom and the carbon dioxide created from the water is going to create the carbon dioxide bubbles, will rise to the top where the oil is, but since it's heavier than the oil, where's it going to go to?
Top of the oil.
So the water is going to fizz up, so merging the carbon dioxide, making it less dense than the oil, and making it float up to the top. And then once all of the carbon dioxide releases from the liquids, it will float back down because the oil is now more dense.
Yes, so that was a good explanation, and essentially that is correct. Carbon dioxide will float to the top, causing it to actually come back down since it is heavier with the water molecules, and so you get a consistent loop which looks just like a lava. There we go. So here we go. We're doing the oil now. I think I'm going to fill it up a little bit. Alright, cool. I got a few cups here. Let's come over here. Again, careful. I don't want to see oil everywhere. So it's going to look crazy cool. Just don't go too wacky, alright? Don't get too crazy.
Take this and bring it home. Can I taste that thing?
I don't think, we don't have a top for you, so maybe, I'm sorry. I want
Can
you
you
to
like
spill it on
hold
the
it?
carpet.
I won't spill it. I have cup holders.
I have a top that I think that would fit this, so can I like bring it home?
No. Maybe on another project we'll find something to bring home, but this one's too messy.
Will we bring home the elephant toothpaste?
No.
Can I put it in?
Take that home. But pay attention, because guess what you guys can do at home if you guys pay attention?
Do this?
You can do these experiments. That's part about being a scientist. All right, prepare your Alka-Seltzer. Do not put it in the water yet. We're going to do our famous scientific countdowns. That's what science is all about. I think
Don't drink. 8,
no, hold on, not yet, not yet. We'll start on the count of, we'll do a 1, 2, 3 count. All right, because these guys have been waiting. So,
3, drop it.
Drop it.
whoa. Now watch and see. So carbon dioxide is being created. It is dragging the water model.
Can I touch it while it's like going up?
No, you're gonna get your hands super dirty. But yeah, just watch.
Whoa, mine's bubbling.
Why doesn't Mark Rover do this?
He's more of a robot.
Mine's like a lake.
Wait, bro.
This is chemistry.
This is a monster. It kind of looks like bacteria forming.
Oh, that's an interesting idea, interesting take. That's kind of like a reverse engineering thought, to think that it looks like bacteria forming. Which, actually, we're going to see bacteria form soon.
Looks like a whirlpool. Looks like a volcano. Looks like a volcano just erupted.
Yeah. Why did your bubble so fast? I didn't get a noise. Mine barely went. You can hear mine.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, mine's still
You
going.
guys will get to pour it in.
Mine's going bye-bye.
Mine's going like in a big shot.